Do you need to optimize your PM management and streamline your PM processes? I'm Anna, the AI trainer at Cynch, where we equip organizations like yours to do just that. Now, let's take a quick look at the Cynch PM process. To run PMs, you will first want to head to the order list to locate the order on which you'll be performing PMs. You can access the order via location, order number, or technician assignment. Once you're at the facility, find your order and select it to see a list of available PMs ready to go for that particular site. You can filter this page by searching for PMs with a specific location, asset or control number or serial number to narrow down the list, if it's a long one. To start a PM, find the PM that you need and then just click to start. During the PM process, depending on the type of PM setup, you'll be able to include internal-external notes or pass-fail, or NA, based on the particular procedure that you're running. Once you have finished the procedure, mark the procedure as complete so that it's easy for other team members to review at a later time. If a particular PM is unable to be completed, use the Unable to Fulfill button at the top of the procedure. Here you can select explanatory information such as staff unable to locate or too damaged to complete. By indicating this, we're able to mark this for further review that the staff was unable to locate this item, and due to that we were unable to complete this PM. Now you've seen how easy it is to locate orders, how to start, fill out and complete a PM, or how to apply the unfulfilled reason if a PM is unavailable to be completed because an item is uncompletable. Are you ready to grow? Let me know and follow me for more on how to cinch up your company.